Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Naturally Liz, and I'm here with a quick and easy tutorial on how I got this bomb wash and go. So if you want to see how I got this done, stay tuned.
Don't know if you got a girl, don't mean no disrespect, but parts of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and I see you all around my way. Been meaning to say hi, but I'm just way too shy. I gotta make you see this is more than just a silly crush. And I wonder if you even notice me now.
So as you can see, I saturated my hair with lots of water. Then I added my grapeseed oil and then like 2 pumps of the MIELLE organics. You can add more. I just felt like I just needed 2. If you do feel like you need to add more, you can go ahead and do so. It just gives it an extra softness to your hair. So that's why I decided to combine the Eco Styler Black Castor with the MIELLE Organics gel, because for 4C, MIELLE Organics really doesn't give me the definition that I want, so I loaded up with the Eco Styler gel. So the MIELLE Organics just helped out and boost the curls that I wanted. And trust me, the feeling of the curls were amazing. It was so soft when I was done, and it wasn't dry, it was crunchy, it was just perfect. I love it.
Next time I see you, I'm gonna walk right up to you and say what's on my mind. I gotta make you see this is more than just a silly crush. Wonder if you even notice me now. You gotta feel.
And I twirled the hair around my fingers to create the extra definition. This is a extremely important part of getting your wash and go to pop. Okay, if you're looking for the definition, this is the most important step to getting the definition, especially for the 4C. I think I would say like the 3C and the 4A people, they could probably just put the gel in their hair and go. But for me, as a 4C, I have to use that extra step to get the definition by just adding more gel and then twirling it around my fingers.
You gotta feel me. I wanna love you. Just wanna be. And I wanna love you good. Just wanna be your girl. I